Take a look at this Tri-5 Chevy at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. True Bel Air, see in the VIN. It is now powered by a 327 300 horsepower V8 with a 4-barrel. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front. Bright work chrome, headlight surrounds. As you can see, chrome shows well on this. Paint also shows well in person, as it does in the pictures and the videos. 811 paint code, so two-tone India ivory and turquoise car. Interior trim 673, black and turquoise. We're going to check out that interior a little closer here in a minute. But if you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on the wide white wall radials. Here's that black and turquoise interior. And the vinyl cloth blend also shows very well. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior a little more, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek at the engine bay. You can see that car is nice and straight, looking from the rear to the front. And then take a look at the bright work up and down the side of it. Also in nice shape, not full of dings or gouges or scratches. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I want to mention something that's going to go along with this. There's a fabric cover in that box, also some pair of headlights, and then you can see like the hood emblem, trim pieces. That will also go along with the car. Put those back in the trunk. This car came to us from Arizona. uniqueclassiccars.com. You want to see the undersides, check out the trunk. Look at how straight that is from the rear to the front, on the driver's side also, and then look at that bright work. Very straight, fits well. Like I said earlier, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Look at how this interior is finished off. Over 100 pictures of this car on our website. Interior is really free of much wear at all. As you can see the floor mats and the still pictures, there'll be pictures of the carpeting underneath there. Also great shape. Did have the wipers work. Blower fan works. Did not have the radio power up. Make you aware of that. Aftermarket tack on the steering column. And some aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Good sounding car too. Nice little rumble out of that 327. I'll let it warm up here. That was a cold start, as you can see by the temp gauge down there. Also oil temp, amp meter, oil pressure. Get the idle down. Sure, we're in neutral. Headliner all good. Nicely that door shuts. Listen to this. This car will definitely turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Great one for any of your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins, Tri-5 Chevy shows. What a good looking car. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. Let's check out that engine bay. We'll wrap this video up. Nice clean underside of the hood. There it is. It's a suffix code PD on that engine, so it's a 1962 era 327 300 horse V8 4-barrel on it. Again, 4-speed paired up with, and you can see how smooth that runs. Good. Sounds very good. There's one for the Tri-5 fans. Gonna make somebody a beautiful car. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, 2-door hardtop. Real deal Bel Air. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. India, ivory, and turquoise. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. This is in a beautiful turquoise, inside and out, with black and silver accents inside. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these drive videos for you. Fuel gauge is reading just under half. Under the dash there are aftermarket gauges. The oil pressure is showing 60. Amps are almost 30. Water temperature is just under 180. This is a 4-speed on the floor. Very cool, you don't see that very often. Starts and runs great, has a good exhaust sound. Easy to shift, clutch is nice. Goes nice and straight down the road. Check that one more time. When we're done turning here. I'm not getting any tire shake or anything like that. It's nice and smooth. We're doing 55 miles an hour. Tachometer on the column is showing 2600. Let's see. Maybe a slight list to the left. And that could be an underinflated tire. It's very slight. It's a really nice running car. You can just barely touch the gas when you're taking off at first, and it purrs really nice. The wipers work well. Let's accelerate one more time here. That's 55 again. Strong running car, and really fun to shift with this 4-speed on the floor. Definitely want to check this one out at UniqueClassicCars.com. GoPro, stop capturing. GoPro, stop capturing.